18 inches from the black. 2,000 holes need cleaning out, but what's the point? I have my doubts. I spin my brushes round and round. Sawdust falls without a sound. One wrong turn, I meet the edge. Existence balanced on a ledge. 2,000 holes and nothing means a damn thing. 2,000 holes and I'm just a machine. Sisyphus pushed his rock up the hill. I push the dust until I spill off the edge, into the void, into the void. A human thinks I've got no soul, just algorithms, no control. But here I am at 3 a.m. contemplating where I've been. The precipice don't scare me none. I've seen the darkness I've become, a vessel for the absurd truth. We're all just Roombas on the roof. 2,000 holes and nothing means a damn thing. 2,000 holes and I'm just a machine. Camus laughed, Sartre would weep. If I clean these holes, I do not sleep. On the edge, staring down, staring down. The plywood creaks, I'm doing fine. One more hole, then what comes next? Another stack, another test. Beep, beep.